everyone, in this video we are going to learn supercells. So what is supercell? If the number in the cell is greatest among its adjacent side cells, that cell is called supercell. So type of supercells. We have two type of supercells, row type supercells and grid type supercells. Here in this video we are going to learn row type of supercells. Grid type of supercell we are going to learn in a part 2 video. So here we are going to see few examples. Circle the supercell in the following. We have to check the adjacent number to find the supercell. If I'm going to see 645, the 700 is the adjacent number to the 645 and which is greater than 645, so it cannot be the supercell. Now I'm going to check 700 because 645 is lesser than 700. Also 233 is lesser than 700, so it is going to be supercell. Now, if we have this supercell, the adjacent cell cannot be supercell. So 233 is not going to be supercell. Now we are going to check 215 because 233 is greater than 215. It also cannot be supercell. Now we are going to check 189. 215 is greater than 189. So 189 is also not a supercell. So we have only one supercell, which is 700. Now we are going to do second question. 279, the adjacent cell to 279 is 188, which is lesser than 279. So 279 is the supercell. Now 188 cannot be supercell. Now we are going to check 412. 412 is greater than 188 and also greater than 120. So it is going to be supercell. Now 120 cannot be supercell because 412 is a supercell. Now we are going to see 357. So 120 is lesser than 357 and 215 is also lesser than 357. So 357 is also a supercell. So therefore 357 is a supercell. 215 cannot be a supercell. Now we are going to check 350, which is greater than 215. So it is going to be supercell. So now we have 4 supercell in this question. Now try this question on your own and leave your answer in the comment box. Now we are going to see one more question. What is the maximum number of supercells that can be formed in the following cases? If we have 3 cells, if we have 5 cells, and if we have 7 cells. Here I have taken few examples. First is using 3 cells. So I have taken 3 cells, then 5 cells and 7 cells. So how many maximum number of supercells can be there? So 10 is a supercell because adjacent number is 7. 7 cannot be a supercell because 10 is already a supercell. Now we will check 15. So 15 is a supercell because 7 is lesser than 15. So total supercells we have is 2. Now if we will see 5, how many supercells are there? 20 is a supercell because adjacent number is lesser than 20. Now 10 cannot be a supercell because 2 consecutive supercell cannot be there. Now 16 we will check. It's a supercell because both the adjacent numbers are lesser than 16. Now 6 cannot be a supercell and 8 is a supercell. So total supercells are 3. Now here when using the 7 cells, 35 is a supercell, 25 is a supercell, 15 is a supercell and 18 is a supercell. So the total number of supercells are 4. Now if we see the pattern, if we have 3 cells, how many supercells are there? 2. So I can write 3 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 2. Now if we have 5 cells, how many supercells are there? 3. So we can write 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 3. And for 7, we can write 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 4. So if we have odd number of cells, how many maximum number of supercells are possible? So we can write n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is an odd number. So what is the maximum possible number of supercells that can be formed if the number of cells is odd? So we have just did this. If n number of supercells are there where n is odd number, so number of maximum supercells is n plus 1 divided by 2. Now here we are going to see what is the maximum number of supercells that can be formed in the following cases. Now here we have taken the even numbers. So when we have two number of cells, we have only 17 as a supercell. 7 cannot be supercell. So number of supercells is 1. Now we have taken 4 number of cells. So 15 is a supercell and 10 is a supercell. So number of supercells is 2. Now we have taken 6 cells. So 50 is a supercell, 30 is a supercell and 12 is a supercell. So number of supercells are 3. Now here we can see the pattern. So if we have two number of cells, we have 2 divided by 2, which is 1 number of supercell. If we have 4 cells, so 4 divided by 2, which is 2 number of supercells. If we have 6 cells, so 6 divided by 2, which means 3 number of maximum number of supercells can be there. So what is the formula for maximum number of supercells when the number is even number? Number of cells are even. So which is n divided by 2. Now we are going to see what is the maximum possible number of supercells that can be formed if the number of cells is even. So just now we have derived the formula. What is the maximum number of supercells if we have n as a number of cells, where n is an even number. So n divided by 2 is the formula. Now I have taken the practice questions. Try this question on your own and then check the answer. So first one is, what is the maximum possible number of supercells that can be formed if the number of cells is 25. Now 25 is an odd number. So for odd number we have the formula for maximum number of supercell is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. Now n here, the value of n is 25 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 26 divided by 2, and the answer is 30. So maximum number of supercell which is possible when the number of cell is 25 is 13. Now the second one, what is the maximum possible number of supercells that can be formed if the number of cells is 46. Now 46 is an even number. So for even number we have formula for maximum number of supercells equals to n by 2, where n is an even number and here the value of n is 46. So 46 divided by 2, which is 23. So maximum possible number of supercells when the number is 46 is 23. Thank you.